And this aspect of American pronunciation is called the flap T. The flap T. Now, in American English, we have the hard T sound, T, and we have the D sound, D. However, we also have a sound that is in between them that is called the flap T. Now, this sound is made when there is a letter T or two letter T's in the middle of a word. Instead of saying the hard T sound for those letters, we instead pronounce the flap T. So instead of saying butter, we say butter. Instead of saying better, we say better. Instead of saying water, we say water. So not t, not d, but